the two brothers to live with him. After a few days, they heard another knock at the door, and the pigs looked out the window and saw the wolf again.
Little pigs, let me in!
Not by the hairs of our chinny chin chin.
Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down!
The wolf huffed and puffed several times, but he couldn't destroy the brick house. The wolf decided to think what to do, so he went and sat on a log. Meanwhile, the three pigs started cooking dinner. They put a large pot of water in the fireplace to cook some soup. The wolf said,
I know what to do. I'll get in through the chimney, and I will eat those pigs.
the wolf climbed up the roof, but he didn't know there was a pot of boiling water at the bottom of the chimney. Suddenly, the three pigs heard a noise.
I'm coming to get you, little pigs!
The wolf